So the problem with the charger is that it doesn't show the numbers correctly in the LED display screen. As you can see, here it's the 87.5 band, 87.5, but the charger doesn't show the numbers correctly. Even if I turn it off and on again, still doesn't work. If you want to change the band, it is the same problem. The numbers doesn't show correctly. And it's kind of annoying because you have to guess what number it is. So here it should be 98.5, 0.7, but you can only guess. And here on the band, the 100 band, the 0 in the middle doesn't show. You cannot even see it. You cannot even see it. So even if I turn the car off and on again,
Power on.
still doesn't work.
Power on.
But the problem is only the LED display screen. As you can see, it connects correctly to the band, and you can even listen to music, and it charges correctly the phone. So it's only the LED display screen. Okay, thank you.